So we'll now have a discussion on the use of background music and narration in your scribe. As a reminder, you can add background music using this icon right over here, add or change music track for your scribe. This background music is available, again, royalty-free and in varying lengths. You can loop these tracks as well. So be mindful of that. And then you can also add narration to your scribe. That is done by, you can record your narration rather by using an internal or external microphone into your computer. So be mindful of that. If this is an option that you do not want to use, you can also use third-party video editing programs such as iMovie or Adobe Elements to merge background music and narration recorded elsewhere. So just note that that is an option. I typically record my narrations using my built-in voice recorder on my iPhone and earbuds, and I would simply upload that track into iMovie and merge my VideoScribe and audio as such. So just note that you aren't necessarily limited to using the VideoScribe platform to add background music and narration. You can definitely add background music that you've purchased elsewhere and include that into your scribe in a different third-party video editing program. And you can also record your narration using a professional voice recorder or, say, an iPhone or mobile device. So just note that that is an available option for you.